Hi, I'm Dr. Sugila Bandekar, Medical Officer at DHS Goa. Firstly, I will be speaking about who has to get tested. Even though it's been more than a year since we are dealing with this pandemic, yet this remains an important part of this video. In first wave, we saw symptoms like fever, cough, breathlessness, sore throat, body ache, loss of taste, loss of smell. In later part of first wave, we also saw symptoms like nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea. Less common, but they were present. In second wave, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea are more common compared to first wave. In addition, there are also other symptoms like conjunctivitis, skin rash, discoloration of fingers and toes, dry mouth, and headache of long duration which doesn't subside with painkillers. If you get any of these symptoms, please get yourself tested as soon as possible. Few days back, a young woman came breathless. Her SpO2 was 36%. She had history of 4 days of breathlessness. The earlier you get yourself tested, you get treatment at an early stage and you can have faster recovery. Now, without having symptoms or you become suspect of COVID-19 is when you have come in contact with a positive case. In such case, we see three types of patients. Firstly, those who come for testing, and when I ask them whether they met the person without mask, they say no. Because many people still don't know what does coming in contact with a positive case means. To come in contact with a positive case means to meet a positive person without mask for at least 15 minutes within a distance of 6 feet. Second type of people which we see in such case are those who test themselves within 24 hours after coming in contact with positive case. Don't do that. There's high possibility you might test false negative and you will actually believe it that you are negative and you will spread the disease to your family and friends. Third type of people which we see in such case are those who wait to get symptoms to get themselves tested. Don't do that. You might be a asymptomatic positive case. So whenever you come in contact with a positive person, it's better to isolate yourself and get yourself tested after 3 to 5 days. I will be also speaking about who not has to get tested. Again, we have three types of people in such case. Firstly, people who come for RT-PCR testing after they are antigen positive. Antigen test can give you a false negative result because it has low sensitivity. But it doesn't give you a false positive result because it has high specificity. So don't get yourself retested because you might come to a swab center, you might wait in a queue and you might infect others as well. So as soon as you get to know you're positive by antigen test, isolate yourself. Secondly, those people who come for retesting after the isolation period is over. They come and they say वो company में join करने के लिए report मांगा है. In Goa, we have stopped retesting since July 2020. ICMR also released the same protocol few days back, which came in news as well. Do not retest once your isolation period is over because you can't spread the virus to others. Third type of people which I'm seeing these days, and unfortunately they are elderly people, so they are actually more vulnerable, are people who come and say that they've come to test simply. Please do not come to test to swab center unless you have definitive indication. That's it for part 1. We'll be uploading part 2 in few days.